Hi, welcome to How to Complete Your Time Card. Using your desktop, laptop, or phone, using the Google Chrome browser, sometimes the Internet Explorer doesn't always work, so go to website illustrated above. This portion of the website is where you need to go. You're going to enter your login, which is the domain and your user login. And your password. You can click Remember Your User ID, so the next time you log in, it will remember this portion of your login, and you will only have to enter your password. You can either press Login or the Enter on your keyboard. Now, select Project in the list of applications. Press Time Card Entry in the list of applications. And now you can pick your current entry, which would be your current time card. If you need to quick open time cards, a time card that's been rejected, that would be there. And if you want to even go back further and duplicate a time card, you go to Time Card History. First, we're going to go into our current entry. I've already added a row here, but to add additional rows to your time card, you will click New Row, Assigned, and you'll see a list of your projects. If you want to be able to search by student, click Description, and it will search by description. Type in the name of the student, first few letters, and those two students will appear. So now I've added that line to my time card. I will enter hours on the days that I work with that student, and then click the Save button to the upper right-hand corner. If you need to edit a line because you chose the wrong project, you click the Edit button, and you can pick a different project now. And click Accept. If you need to remove a row, you click Remove Row, and it just removes the row. And you can continue on clicking more projects to charge to. It's important to save after adding each line. When you're ready to submit your time card, you're going to click Completed and then the Save button. And that will make the whole entire screen go gray, and that time card is off to be approved. To duplicate a time card, go back to the Home, go to Project, go to Time Card Entry. I'm not going to save my changes here at this point of time for this demo. You're going to go to Time Card History. You're going to click the word Actions at the top, and now you can pick Correct or Duplicate a time card. So in this case, I'm going to duplicate this time card to this period of time. And now this time card is ready for me to enter hours on these particular lines that I've been working on. Then when I'm complete again, you hit complete and save, and that will complete that time card. To navigate through Webex, there are several buttons to the top left-hand screen. The first one is to go back to the main menu. The second one is to go home, which in your case is very similar. It will take you back to basically the same page. The next one is to cancel this time card entry, for instance, and it will cancel this request. I could say, no, I don't want to save my changes, or yes, I do. I'm going to say no in this case. And this will take me back one screen. Now, when you're in your time card, there are also 3 buttons. The first one is to go back to the last time card. If I click that, you'll see. It takes me back to the week before time card. The next button is to look up a time card. Let's go back and look at all my time cards from the past and pull them up if I need to. The last one is to go to the next period. To correct a rejected time card, you're going to go back to Home, go back to Project, go to Time Card Entry, click Open Time Card, and in this list you will have a rejected time card. It's usually highlighted in red, but you can also, at this point in time, correct any in-process time card of any kind, whether it was rejected or not, as long as it's still in process. To log out, you go back to the main menu and you click Log Out. You'll also see messages here. Messages will have either a message saying you had a rejected time card, or if you're an approver, it will list the timesheets you need to approve. We're going to go back to the main menu and show you how from the main menu to get to this particular screen. You click Project. This is for approval, document approval, you'll see a list, in this case only one time card that needs to be approved, but you would like to see additional information. Click the icon here next to the name of the person, and you'll have a choice of details, run a report. We're going to click details, and we want to see the detailed lines on this particular time card. And you can go back to the back button and decide, yes, I want to approve this time card. So you click Approved, and at the bottom of the screen, there is a Commit Actions button. Very important. You need to commit that action. If you decide you do not want this time card approved, you click Reject and commit the action. That concludes the webinar of how to do your time card and approval. Thank you.